Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to open up the Boxycharm Luxe. So this is the box that comes through Boxycharm every 3 months. I did have one, so this will be box number 2 for me. I did open one, what, 2-3 months ago and it was amazing. If you don't get Boxycharm Luxe, then you just have to go on their website, and if you have to already be subscribed to getting Boxycharm, the regular box, and then you can upgrade to the Boxycharm Luxe, which is a bigger box that comes with way more stuff. You are paying an additional cost to, you know, for the add-on, but it is completely worth it. So I do have a code down in the description box. Go ahead and check that if you plan on signing up for regular Boxycharm, which if you don't get Boxycharm, what are you waiting for? Because it's like it's really nice box. So I'm gonna get this open now. Before I start, you guys, I got an email. So it was an email from the Boxycharm CEO founder, the guy named Joe, and he basically let me know. He said he wanted to personally apologize for sending me a Cover FX palette that might not match the shade that I selected on my beauty quiz. So when you sign up to Boxycharm, you do a beauty quiz. You let them know what you like and what you don't like. Apparently they had some data issues and a few people got affected, and they believe that I am one of the ones that got affected. So there was more into the email. I'm not really upset about it because they are going to take care of that, but I'm waiting to see what's in here, and hopefully the palette or the eyeshadow palette, whatever it is not really bad, but I just want to get this open. So the first thing that I see on top is this cute little card, and I'm sure on the other side it's telling me, yep, all the prices and the names of everything, which I'm not going to look at yet. But it has this really pretty flower picture on the front, and it says some La Vie en Rose. I don't speak French, but that's what it says on the front. I will go back through and tell you guys the prices for everything after I get it all open. So I see a bag. So in here, it looks like it is a cosmetic bag, and it's super cute. I can already tell. I love the design on this. Really cute. It kind of has that metallic look to it, kind of rainbowish, but rose gold at the same time. Really nice. Oh, I don't want to tear that paper off, but that's what it looks like. And let me get it open. It's kind of weird. It has like this alligator print to it, but not, I don't know, it's cute. And it says Boxycharm on the inside, and it's pink on the inside like that. And yeah, so that's cute. You can never have too many cosmetic bags because you can use these for all kind of stuff. Earrings, whatever you want to put in here. So I actually really like that, and like I said, I'll save the prices for the end of the video. Next I see these, and they're called Lily Lashes. These are faux mink limited edition lashes. It says cruelty free strip lash, reusable with proper care. So these are just some really cute lashes. And you guys, please forgive me if you watch my channel a lot. You know that I normally don't use a ring light, but because it is kind of late, I decided that I wanted to film this right now, so I got my ring light. That's why it has that like glare all in there. Usually I love to just use my natural sunlight, but so yeah, that is in here, and these are faux mink lashes. Next I see Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. Bounce the angled brush into the cushion with small strokes. Apply the pigment to create the desired effect. So this is an eyebrow gel, pretty much a gel, but I'm gonna get this open and see. Okay, so when I took it out the box, it's really pretty. It is like a rose gold like mirror, and then this whole side right here is a mirror, and on the inside I see the angled brush, and the little both ends have a brush on it, and then the inside looks like this. So let me pop this open. Oh, okay, that is crazy and cool at the same time. So the inside looks like this, and it's under here. Okay, it's not telling me if it's a gel or the innovative 2-shade liquid brow. Okay, it says liquid brow compact, allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly. So I'm happy I didn't just open that because it said it's liquid, and I guess that is what is inside of here, which I'm not going to open. But you do get this cute little brush that folds like this, so that you can put that back inside of here and then close it up, and that is really, really cute. I can't wait to try that out. So far, the first 3 things that I took out has rose gold coloring. So here is a Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and this is in the color Scarlet. So this is a Becca lipstick. So it is in a gold container. You guys, I love gold. I love gold everything. So it looks like this. Really pretty red. I am not going to swatch this because I don't think I'm going to keep this. I don't think I'm going to keep it. I like it. I think it's pretty. It's just I'm not a big fan of reds. Not at all. I don't really wear too many reds. So I'm going to keep that packaged up. This is Scarlet, and yeah, I'll figure out what I'm going to do with that. But I'm not mad about it at all. Next up, we got some Wonder Beauty, and I do like Wonder Beauty. They have some really nice stuff. Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I don't like mask. It looks like this right there, and it's just a cute little tube, little gold bottom, pink top, and it's just a mask. Minimum effort, maximum results, and it's a mask. I don't really get into too many masks like that. I really don't wear them at all, so I'll have to put that to the side as well. So these nail polishes are by Deborah Lipman. The packaging is super cute. It says one is called Oh Donna and the other one is called Modern Love. This one is a really pretty, like, light purple kind of look to it. Really, really pretty. I like that one. And that one was called Modern Love. And then this next one, which is called Oh Donna. Oh, it has like some gold sparkles in it. And that one looks like that. So it's kind of like a rose kind of color, but it has some gold flakes in there. Oh, that's really pretty. Never even heard of Deborah Lipman. I can't wait to try that. I will actually probably put on the one with the gold flakes, which is Oh Donna. I'll probably put that on tonight because I did just take my polish off, and so I'll probably mess around with that one. And then in here, oh, there's still more stuff. Here's some Moda brushes, and it's powder and soft glow. So you get 2 sets. One is for powder and one is for soft glow. So basically one's for a highlighter and the other one is for your face. And this is a Moda brand set. Oh, excellent for wet and dry product. Waterproof metallic handle. Sturdy aluminum Securus bristles, and professional quality fibers. And they still are in the package. They are really, really pretty, like a pretty pink color. That is really nice. I like that, like, mirror look to it. Okay, I like those. Next in the box, I see by IT Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Okay. Apply to clean skin in the morning and evening, using upward sweeps. Okay, so it's basically just a moisturizer, but it says moisturizing super cream. So that is by IT Cosmetics, and this is what the container looks like that. I have 3 moisturizers that I'm currently using, so I'm not going to open this one just yet, but I cannot wait to try it out. It says anti-aging. I bet it works really, really good, but this was in my Boxy Luxe box. Okay, so I see 2 more things in here. Okay, here's the Cover FX. So this is what the packaging looks like. Cover FX, and then on the back it says Perfector Face Palette, medium deep. Okay. And it shows you the colors and everything back here. Let's see. I'm assuming this one side is a mirror. So this whole side is a mirror. And I'm not going to swatch any of those, but those are the colors that I got. I think those are actually kind of pretty. I think I can work with those. I think I can work with those. So you have two highlighters. So you have these two down here, which are highlighters. You have the contour right here. You have a finishing powder right here. Up here you have a brightener. And yeah, the blush. This one was the contour, and then the blush is over here. So you get all of that in there. This is a nice little palette. I'm gonna have to mess around with this and see if I really like that. So that was for Cover FX. And then the last thing I see in here, and then I'm going to put this box down, is Morphe. A Morphe palette. Oh my goodness. So this side is a mirror. Oh, these colors are pretty. They're like rose golds. Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matte colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmers. Oh yeah, those are beautiful. Look at that. Really pretty colors on there. It even has a black down there. You see that? Really nice. So if you're getting Boxy Luxe, then girl, that is what you will be expecting. All of this goodness in this box. And like I said, this is the one that comes every 3 months. But you have to sign up first to get the regular Boxycharm before you can sign up to get the Boxy Luxe. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and tell you guys the prices. And I do apologize if I feel like I'm rushing. I kind of am. It's a little late. I got my roast in the oven. I have to go finish dinner. But I wanted to open this up and share with you guys because I knew that I was not going to wait until tomorrow to get into this box. Okay, so anyways, the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which was this one right here. This retailed for $45. The Moda brushes, where'd I put those? The Moda brushes right here. These brushes retailed for $29. The Iconic Eyebrow Cushion retails, this is $40. 40. Oh my goodness, what movie was that? Oh, was that Baby Boy? When he went to go buy the clothes in the barber shop, in the salon, and then one guy, he said $40. If you know what that is, leave a comment down below and say $40. That way I know you know what I'm talking about. But that was so funny when I first seen it. He was like, $40. But anyways, this is $40. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask retails for $34. The Super Cute Lily Lashes retail for $24.99. This IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, it's called Confidence in a Cream. This retails for $48. The Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love in the color Scarlet, this retails for $24. The Morphe palette retails for $16. The Super Pretty Deborah Lippmann fingernail polishes retail for $20. And last but not least, the Boxycharm Train case retails for $20 as well. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my Boxycharm Luxe. Let me know if you already get this box and what was your favorite product in the box once you get it. If you have not started getting the regular Boxycharm box, like I said, make sure you check down in the description box because I do have a code down there for you to get a discount off of your first box. And let me tell you, you will not be disappointed. And besides that, I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my dinner. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.